Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create the lead gen forms on the Quora Ads platform. So once we are on the platform, we saw this in the lead gen campaign where we created the lead gen form as well, which people will get to see and they can fill up the information. Now, what you can also do is you can create the forms separately and then just link it to a new campaign which you're planning to build. So that's also another process or way which you can choose. So here you can see just beside audiences, you have lead gen, and this is where you can create the form. So you can start giving the name of the form and you can give the offer. We can choose the information which we want and we give our privacy policy page. We build out the form in the same manner we saw previously and we give our company website and URL over here for them to reach out to us. Once you create the form, so this is the form which we have created, test 123. Now you can create a new lead gen campaign. And here you can give all the details, build out the whole campaign. And when you come to the ad section and you start creating the ad, you will come to the last part, which is the lead gen form. This is where you can select it. So now you can see we have connected that particular form to this particular ad, and now you can build out the whole campaign. That's the idea of lead gen forms, which you can now create and use with your Quora ads campaigns. I hope this makes sense. You understand the complete process now. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.